All right, you got the FDD, and I know, because I told you to do it. You went straight to item 19. Okay, remember the rules around the item 19, okay? Yes, it's historical franchise performance. It's historical. Remember my little tip? It is not a crystal ball of how much money am I going to make. It's a rear view mirror. How much money did everybody else make last year in this system, right? Good thing to remember. Also, the rules around item 19, they can't cherry pick. They can't say, here's our best and brightest. Pay no attention to the guy losing his shirt behind the curtain. If they're going to talk about one, they need to talk about all. Sometimes you're going to see averages. Sometimes you're going to see medians. You're going to see understandings of gross revenue. Some brands will be able to break it down a little bit more. I have a couple brands out there. They have their full P&L from all of their businesses. One of the brands I love to show actually has 62 open locations, and they have gross revenue and average staff costs of all 62 locations. So that's where the item 19 is going to start to vary. So we're going to pay close attention to it. What's the reminder? It's a piece of the puzzle. It is not your only answer. We need to use that item 19 to put together our assumptions. And then we need to validate our assumptions with the other franchise owners. But the item 19 is going to give you an understanding. It should give you an understanding of gross revenue into the business, how much the other franchisees have probably generated in the previous calendar for the whole 12 months. Keep that in mind. Remember, what did she say? Windshield, not crystal ball. Hope that helped.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take the next step, Integrity Franchise Group is here to help. Click the link below or reach out to us today to schedule an appointment. Let's work together to solve that franchise puzzle and turn your business dreams into reality. We cannot wait to connect with you.